Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to redeem Roblox gift card on mobile. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your Roblox application on your iPhone or Android. So after that, in this interface at the bottom right, you need to click on the More button and then scroll to the bottom of this page and then find Help and Safety option right up here on the right side, and then click the first one option, Help. After that you'll see this interface. Then you need to tap on the search bar, and then here you need to type redeem and then search button at the bottom right corner. Then you will see different options. You need to click on the first one option. It says how to redeem and spend your gift card. Here it is. Then you will see this interface. As you can see, there is a link, but if you try to go to that one link, as you can see, it says that you need to open your browser to open this link. So all you need to do is to tap and hold on that one link and then select all this link like this, then click on the copy button. After that you need to open any browser you want. It can be Google Chrome or Safari browser or any other you want to, and then in the search bar you need to enter this one link and then go button at the bottom right. After that you need to log in your Roblox account and then you need to enter your gift card, and only after that you will be able to spend your gift card. And that's all, and that's how to redeem Roblox gift card on mobile. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.